Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today in a video we have got something new which even Shaurya is not aware about. It's going to be a surprise for him as well. So any guesses what? Shaurya, any guesses what do we have?
Soldier
So we
dress.
are no. So we are going to unbox a tiny car. Any guesses, Shaurya, what the car is? So that car is in my pocket.
Body. What
So this is the box
Wow.
and this,
Jimny.
and this is the car. So it's a very tiny car. So let's unbox and see how this car looks like. So Shaurya is opening the box.
Jimny.
She's very much excited. Shaurya, let everyone see how this car looks like. So you can see.
Jimny.
Show it. So yeah, so this is the car. It's a very tiny car. This is the Jimny car. So let's see. So you can see the wheels are very smooth. The wheels are very smooth.
Hot wheel है. Huh?
No, this is not a Hot Wheel car. This is a this is a die-cast car, but this is not a Hot Wheel. So it's made in Vietnam. Suzuki Jimny, Tomica Tommy. So there's something written here. If you can see, let me make it clear. Wait, show it. I hope you can see it now. Still not visible. Wait. Now, okay. Wait.
Jimny है ना? It is Jimny.
Yes, this is Jimny. Okay. This is how the car. So it's very tiny, small car, but it looks nice. It has, if you see closely, you can see that it has the Suzuki badging as well as Jimny written here. Sure, let me. A second. Yeah. My mobile camera cannot justify it, but see here you can see Jimny, and on the left side you can see there's Suzuki written. So it's very small car, but the wheels are so smooth, it's rolling. So this was a surprise in our today's video. Hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you all for watching us.